Hello. Welcome to Rusty Leisure. As you can see, my Leisure Mercedes is under a lot of snow. It seems that last night Mother Nature turned its back on me. Not much to my surprise. Good thing I have a lot of sausages and cheese in the vault. Oh yes, it is a bleak day. Plenty of snow in the branches. Just reminding you how human and mortal we really are. If this was something else, it would be worth an incredible amount of street value. I'm always a businessman. Yes. The Rusty Leisure Mobile, incapacitated at the moment. I believe I left the stripper in the vehicle from last night, passed out. She was drinking too much, so that's what she deserves, honestly. Perhaps tomorrow I'll check to see if she's alive. If she's not, I'll just drag her off the property, maybe to the neighbors, and let them take the blame. Not much to say in this video. Not much to say. The sights tell it all. Here is my beautiful walkway with shrubs and grass. Underneath all of this ice and plenty of bloody snow. Anyways, have a good day. Rusty Leisure. Stay tuned. Plenty to come. Plenty to come indeed. Until then, eat, drink, and be merry. Yes. American flag. Go fuck yourself!